In primetime news this evening, roll it back. Church joins growing list of groups demanding the government rethink its massive increase announced for politicians. Time for job descriptions. Powerful business group calls on the government to give the public performance indicators to judge cabinet ministers. And the finance minister promises to study the possibilities as experts call for an increase in the income tax threshold.
Good evening and welcome to Primetime News, live on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Herman Green.
And I'm Janella Precious. Later in the business day, new centralized platform launched for online business permits application.
Okay, and Karen is here for a preview of what's to come in sports. Karen?
Well, Herman, the reggae girls at both the senior and the junior levels have some busy times coming up, and some of them are sweating. We will explain in Primetime Sports.
And speaking of sweat, it was hot as usual. Romain is here with a preview of what's to come in the weather report and forecast. Romain?
Yes, indeed, it was hot, but we do expect some relief tomorrow as there are stronger winds across most of the island. And by next week, we're expecting an increase in showers, so I'll tell you more in the weather report and forecast.
There's also sports commentary and E-Prime in this newscast. But before the break, the feedback question.
Our question this evening. What do you make of the commitment from the finance minister to review the recommendation to increase the income tax threshold?
You can share comments online, facebook.com/television Jamaica, and tweet us at TVJ News Center.
Please stay with us. Primetime News returns after this break.